So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step complete walkthrough of how to go ahead and contribute to the Acala Crowdloan on Polkadot. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the Acala website. If you don't have that, I have a link in the description down below that you can click to go ahead and pull that up. Now, once we go to pull up the website, we want to click on this Contribute Now button. And after we go to click that button, it's going to scroll us down the page. Now, there's actually two options in how you can contribute to the Acala Crowdloan. One is directly through the Polkadot.js wallet, but the other is to earn liquid dot tokens or lcdot tokens. So what that means is they're going to go ahead and lock your dot tokens for 2 years, and you're going to receive your ACA rewards as you normally would. But you're also going to receive some lcdot tokens that you can use for liquidity pool and minting loans in the Acala ecosystem. So for me, that definitely makes the most sense, and that's what we're going to be continuing to do in this video. So as we scroll down, we'll see kind of these reminder checkboxes that you have a Polkadot.js browser extension, that you have dot in it, as well as your dot is unbounded and not staked. If we scroll down a little bit more, we're going to click on this Connect Polkadot.js extension button, and that's going to go ahead and connect the Acala website to your Polkadot.js wallet. And then from there, it's going to pull up how many dot you have available and allow you to go ahead and enter in how much dot you want to contribute to the crowd loan of Acala. Now, if we scroll down a little bit more, we're going to see this field that says your referral code. I provided my referral code in the link to the description, but in essence, just by copying and pasting that in, you're going to earn yourself a extra free 5% of ACA tokens or rewards based on your crowd loan. So finally, we fill in our email and we click the contribute button at the bottom right. And it might just take a couple seconds to go ahead and process the transaction. But then it'll bring us to this next page showing us that their contribution transaction is pending. And once this little circle goes ahead and fills up, it'll give us a final confirmation that it has successfully went through. And that's it. You have funded the Acala Crowdloan. So hey, make sure you use that referral code that I mentioned in the description down below. Net yourself a free 5% more ACA or Acala tokens. And of course, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will be responding to every last single one of those. Thanks for watching the video. My name is Ryan. This is No Autopilot YouTube channel, and we will check you in the next video. See ya.